Afternoon, everyone. So I opened my package already. I shipped with Island Shipper. You can see Island Shipper. Okay. So I got my package today, and I called them to tell them thanks. And what they have told me is, in order to tell them thanks, I can just make a short video. So I appreciated the service. I bought a phone. I got it on time when I purchased it. It was basically each step of the way was explained to me, and I do appreciate them. I paid no shipping for the phone, so it was shipped for free, and the custom duty was very affordable, as explained by Island Shipper. I just want to show them out, and I want to say thank you. Of love.